Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a closet clean out. I got rid of a lot of stuff. I actually wasn't planning on doing this video, but I started cleaning my closet off camera and then realized I was getting rid of a lot of stuff, so I decided to show you guys everything that I'm no longer keeping. So if you guys want to see the process of this, then just keep on watching. Starting off with my jeans, I also have sweatpants in this drawer, so I'm adding those in. I tried organizing them by style, as you guys can see here. This is what it looks like. I have more space to add pants right there. There's an empty spot. Then I moved on to this drawer, and this is my summer bottoms, so shorts, skirts, linen pants, and stuff like that. And I also was deciding which things I wanted to get rid of. I've been trying on a lot of clothes. I'm trying on this shirt, but I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna start off with these pants. I wore these for Thanksgiving, I think 3 years ago. So this is what they look like, and I'm finally gonna get rid of these. Fit really nicely, but they're see-through. I think they're supposed to fit loose and they fit tight. I'm gonna get rid of these ones. These ones are too big, but they also fit kind of flare. I don't like flare pants personally, so I'm gonna get rid of these. They literally don't fit me. I put them on and I was like, why do I have these? Remind me of the Brandy Melville pants that were really popular, but they're not Brandy. These ones I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna have to put them in the wash. Or actually, I don't even know if this would come off in the wash. Got makeup on it. You could see the makeup too. I barely wear these, but the one day that I did wear them, I was putting on concealer. I can't find them. Concealer fell in the pants, and then I tried scrubbing it off, and I took off the dye. And they fit. But I don't know how I feel about low rise. This is so low. Do you guys see the zipper? It's barely even there. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these ones. I would never wear these. I don't know. I just had them because I had 2 pairs of low rise because I was like, you never know, one day I might wear low rise jeans and I'm gonna be like, wow, I regret getting rid of mine. But I don't think I'll ever wear this low of low rise jeans. So. And the last pair of pants were the ones I was talking about. The Gap ones. These ones fit me a little bit better, but something about flare jeans, I just feel like they don't look good on me, and all these kind of fit flare. I'm getting rid of this skirt that I've had. Honestly, I said I had it for 2 years. I think I might have had it for 3. It honestly kind of makes me dizzy. I don't know why I bought it. I really like V-neck lines, and this is a V-neck line, so I bought it for that, but I don't like flare, and the sleeves are flare. I wanted this shirt for so long. I literally was like looking it up on the card, and I did find it, but now that I have it, I've only worn it once because I'm like, when would I really wear something this color? I had this one for a while though, but it's so short. I put it on and it's like literally up to here, and I'm like, how did I wear this? This one I'm gonna have to wash because I got makeup on it. But it's flare sleeves because I got it thrifting, and I tried it on and it was so short that I could never wear this anywhere. It's so short. I'm gonna go through this side of my closet and see if there's anything else. It's actually really cute, so I'm sad to get rid of this, but it doesn't fit me, so I'm not gonna keep it. It has a zipper and the material does not stretch. Like, this does not stretch at all. I've had this for a while and I'm like, if I go somewhere maybe I can wear it, but really, where would I wear this to? Zebra print silk top, or is this satin? I don't know. I can't see myself wearing this anywhere, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Clothes that you just put on, it's like staple pieces. They make you feel like confident. This one for some reason does the opposite. I don't know why, because it's so simple, but it just, I don't know. We're gonna go through my wardrobe. So I'm gonna go through this stuff. This is my favorite clothes, so honestly I don't know what I get rid of from here. I always shrink my clothes, and this one definitely did shrink. I'm so sad about this. Okay, we're gonna get rid of this one because it does not fit. I don't know how I feel about this many stripes. They're thinking about banning TikTok. I don't know what I'm gonna do if they do that. I don't know if I like this. It kind of looks weird because this is under, but for now I'll keep it. I haven't worn it yet. Oh yeah, this fits. It's a little itchy though. But this is so cute. I don't know why I thought it didn't fit me. Okay. Oh, this is the one that I shrank the other day too, that I'm getting rid of. But it's also very itchy. I want to try this on. Look, even like with these shorts, it looks nice. These are the things I got in my most recent thrift haul. That's the last video I uploaded. Let me try this one on. Because I have this one, but I don't know if I'd wear it. This like length, I don't like the length of it. One of these is gonna go. This one's actually a little bit longer. So I'm gonna get rid of the blue one, and I'm gonna keep this one. I wore this one when I went to Disneyland. Now I know that this style of top I don't really like anymore. When I was in high school, I used to wear this shirt at least one time a week. Like, I would wear this shirt at least once a week. But I think I am gonna get rid of it. This one's very short too, but I realized that for this, look at me layering. For this one, I could wear it like with a dress. So that's why I'm keeping this one. This little cardigan. Looking at myself in the mirror, I'd never wear it. These are nice tops, they're just not my style anymore, but they're also older like designs. I don't know if that makes sense, like older styles. I'm gonna go through my purses and see if there's any purses that I want to get rid of. I want this bag. I haven't worn it yet because it's really small, but look what I found inside. I was looking for this the other day and I couldn't find it. A red bag. This one's kind of fun. Okay, I have more bags in here. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys this though. This is irrelevant, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. This is gonna be great for the summertime with just jean shorts. This is another one I got the other day. See, I need to hang this stuff up. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I got this one too. What? Why do I have all? I literally just buy them and I throw them in this basket. I didn't even notice that. This is like a plain black tank top. I honestly don't know if I like it. It's from UGG. Oh, do you guys see how I got that? It's kind of ugly. Actually, I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's really long. Do you guys see this? It's like a really awkward length. It's my old ID card. I was so tan. We would take our photos in June, even though they were meant for like the whole school year. I was swimming all the time, so I was so tan. And my hair was like a light brown. I love when I find stuff like that. But I would love if I could find money in here. This is what it looks like. I still have laundry that I'm doing, but this is what this looks like now. It's really clean. All of my bags fit nicely in that basket, and I tried organizing this as best as I could. I'm gonna get rid of this bag. 2 shoulder bags. This one, it's this material that when I touch it, it's really cold, and I don't know if I like that. And then this one just fit kind of awkwardly. So I'm gonna get rid of those. So yeah, I have everything right here folded into 2 piles. Should I count it? Oh, also I'm getting rid of this sweater. I didn't show this yesterday, but I cleaned my room. That's laundry under that blanket that I have not put away, but like I cleaned everything else. I'm getting rid of this sweater because this is a material that like peels a lot, and I've only worn it like 4 times, but I'm gonna get rid of it. 17 things, including the bags. I got rid of 17 things, which I actually think is a lot to have 2 piles here. I do closet cleanouts pretty frequently, so I was actually surprised that I was getting rid of stuff. There were some things that didn't fit me that I kept because I thought maybe one day they will fit me. There was also things that I don't wear very often, and I thought it was finally time to get rid of them because honestly, if I don't wear them now, probably won't wear them later. So I'm glad I got rid of all these things. So that's everything I got rid of, and if you have any videos you want to see, comment them down below and maybe I'll do them. That is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!